all the world's stage in order to commemorate his contribution.
Because of his obedience, we are making it true.
Let me respectfully stand on all due and existing protocols, because I have so many revered fathers here I happen to come close to our dear late father while I was governor of Anambra State. I do take time to visit him from time to time. And he was one of those who will always, like it's been said by so many people, tell me histories of this, and how to do this, how to do that, and everything, and all that. And we remain very close. He has always believed that people from the Southeast should assert themselves, be part of the political process, no matter the circumstances, and live with it. We even became closer when Mandela died, I recall. And the federal government of Nigeria has chosen me as one of those that will go for the burial with the then president of Nigeria, or representative of Nigeria. And he had applied because he told me a story, one of his stories. He told me about how close he was with Mandela and everything, and they have exchanged letters and everything. So he applied to the federal government to pay for him to be part of their delegation. But the federal government, one way or the other, didn't work. So he came back to tell me the story, and I said, listen, I don't know Mandela. I read about Mandela. So since I'm going to go, and I'm going to pay for me to go, it is better that I pay for you to go, because you know Mandela. I know his friends. I don't know him. So it is better. So I had to pay for him. Told him, I said, you know them, I don't know them. So I'll just be there as one of those who came to South Africa. So you better we invest in Anambra State more wisely by paying for somebody who knows the Mandela family. And he went to South Africa. And when he came back from South Africa, I thought he was going to say, just thank you to me. He now reminded me of so many other things I need to do for him as a father, which I continue to do. Was a wonderful father, was a good man. And he lived his life. Is there for the rest of us to emulate what they did, the struggle, everything, and continue to maintain the fact that we are part of this enterprise called Nigeria. And nobody can relegate us to the background. Thank you, and God